Okay, so right now I'm preparing for our second AI meetup event, and I'm about to experiment with prompt engineering, and our next topic is going to be on prompt engineering, so it should be useful. Um, so I'm going to use prompt engineering to help make me a lesson plan, and I'm going to give the prompt some context and tell it what tools are available, and just try and be super clear about the restraints, as LLMs normally work better through restraints. So as you can see here, I'm gonna give it some context. I'm making a 2-hour workshop, 15-20 people, giving it a topic, told it my tools available, seating layout, and I'm gonna upload an image, right? Told it the time, give it some learning objectives, right? So you can really focus on that. And then I'm giving it some suggestions, right? So I'm giving it some more context. And I've told it we're gonna have a group discussion at the end, and I told it kind of what we want, right? Very specific with my suggestions, and I've asked for the response to be in a lesson plan format, which is quite important. So I'm going to add an image of the seating plan, which you can see here. Upload that so I can clearly see what we're working with as well. And let's go. Okay. Cool. You can see nice and clear here. Let's see how good it understood my learning objectives. Yep. Yep. Okay. Okay. Poll on Kahoot's quite a good idea. Good suggestion to sort out the WhatsApp group at the beginning. I think we'll do that, implement that for sure. This is kind of what I had in mind. Yeah. Great idea. Yeah. Again, great idea for style modifiers. Yeah, this is cool because again, like giving each group a different card for the activity will spark some creativity there. I really like this idea. It's quite easy for us to implement too. Yeah, and it understood the assignment with the Mad Libs thing. Cool. Yeah, super happy with what is returned to me. It's given me clear format in the minutes. You know, because we gave it the tools, what's available, and our suggestions, it followed that. It's done really well. I gave it the times, so it's given it me the exact minutes of what's suggested where. Again, this is because I asked it to give it to me in a lesson plan format, so it knew how to do that. Facilitation notes. You know, it's really like, if you can see here, like it's understands the image I sent to it as well, which is great. I think that's called multimodal prompting. So an example of multimodal prompting is adding text prompt and image as well, or video or audio, and it's taking the information from both to send a response, which is quite amazing. So yeah, super happy with that. We can take a look at running this. Let's see what happens. I've never used Prezi before, so let's just like be super lazy and just paste all of this into Prezi and see what happens. Over relying on ChatGPT and LLMs does atrophy your brain, so you've got to be careful on that. Okay, we're just gonna go through it real quick and see what it got from that. Maybe later I'll refine it a bit. I'll start it again completely. Just want to see how it works from the original prompt we gave it on ChatGPT to the feedback that we got, and then see how Prezi interprets that and see if the final product is of value. You know, it's not good practice to over rely on ChatGPT to complete your work, but let's just experiment with it today and see if it gives us something that's usable, because if we're doing a lot of these weekly meetups, like to automate a lot of the work is just super handy for our time. Okay, here we go. Okay, so straight away it's like, I want to change a lot. This looks quite good. Okay, so we need to add some more for the 5 key style modifiers. This is the group challenge. All right, so it's kind of like half there, maybe even less than half. Maybe I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna give it a prompt that's very specific for Prezi and run it off that, because I think it'll give us a much better response. Thank you.